What's the meaning of compost bin? Compost bin. Compost bin.
Compost bin. Compost bin. A compost bin is a container used to hold organic materials like food scraps and yard waste that will decompose over time. As these materials break down, they create a nutrient-rich soil amendment that can be used in gardens to improve soil quality and promote plant growth. The result is a natural fertilizer that helps reduce the amount of organic waste thrown into landfills and also reduces the need for chemical fertilizers. Composting is a sustainable and environmentally friendly way to dispose of organic waste while also benefiting the health of plants and soils.